Hello everyone, here is CryptoToti, the latest crypto guru. If you want to learn how to lose money in crypto, here is the best place. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not contact no one, I just do all this as hobby. So let's start first time with Bitcoin. So as you see on the daily, we have a little bit of growing of the price. So let's see how much has gone. So around 20%. So what mean 20%? So 20%. This 20% is meaning all the shorts with X4 got liquidated. So, and if we see here, from here to here, around 15, yes? So if you go the falling 10%, or 10% is X10. So short X4, long X10. So this is a playing up and down for the shorts and the longs to liquidate this kind of transaction. And now it's gone around around 10. So if we look on the, let's see if we have something. So this is the latest point. So it look like the RSI and this is the latest point. Here is the latest point. So it's possible now we don't have for the moment any uh, bullish situation. I need to wait how much it will go. It will go down. So if we do some Fibonacci, let's say from here until here, so he has reached 1.23. I think is here. I don't see it very well. The or 113. This is 113, 123. Yeah, so reach 113. Normal. We can have a pullback, or we can go down. But the RSI here is a little bit on 39, and if you go to the 4 hour, the RSI is very low. So we need to have a pullback. So how much can be the pullback? We can go until if we have between 94 and 96, yeah, or 382 or 92. So we can go in this area. When you go in this area, how much we can? So 5%. So here's 5%. So X20 long, no X20 shorts. So we can have again this price by recovering of the RSI. If you go back on a daily, let's delete this drawing. So we can go to the next Fibonacci, this guy. So we can do 1, 2, and 3 points. So he reached already 1618. So pretty sure the price will stop here and we'll have a comeback of the price. No, maybe not so much, but we can have a situation like that. We can go a little bit like here and to go down. And how much down down can go. So let's remove this and no, like that. Remove this. So if we do like that, we can Fibonacci from this point, for example, until here. So it will reach 0.786, and after that it can go in this direction, in this area. And 1618 is here. And if we go here, 1618 is here. The last all-time high. So, but pretty sure it will not go directly. Maybe we'll have some up and down until this area. If we go in the up direction, yeah, let's daily. Yeah, we can say okay. Let's say we have a nice recovering from this top until here. So he reached only 3.2. So was normal to if we go back to remove to logarithmic. Okay, exist chance to go in these areas, or it can go up. Yeah, 1618 is 154. So exist all the possibilities, but depends how also the market is working. like that is for Bitcoin. If you want to go a little bit remove for drawings, and if we go logarithmic, double click, where is the last and like that. So 0786 is 39. So this is the between these two levels. Let's see what happened in the last period. So from here until here. So you see is already somehow reached this point. So this is the maximum comeback for a coin, especially so on this level like as Bitcoin. If we want to go like that, so you reach 2, yeah. So if we go from this high, maybe they will not come back, and we will go until let's say 38. So we can have these prices in the future. So everyone was expecting like we have here a very big pulling up, here pulling up, and here this look like a little bit less, and we can have a surprise in the future, but we can have also just 20-30,000 more each cycle. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. As that this Bitcoin has 2.324 trillions market cap, yeah, total is 298, yeah. And if you look on gold or the SPX, we have 10, 20, 30, 50 trillions. So we have room also for the Bitcoin to grow up if will remain in trust of the people. Okay, let's go to the next coin. This is Ethereum XRP. I don't know, I don't use so much, so it look like in the last period we have a huge consolidation. So we have around 256 bar, so this is around 5 years, is a lot, a lot. We have so if we see a 2x and we can go until 2000 if you have or if you go here maybe 1700. I think it's not possible to go too low because we have also big market cap. But if you go to in the daily, we have a little bit of like also Bitcoin, some a similar pattern. How much? So 14%, yeah. So this from here to here 30%. It look like 33% is mean X3. So here the short X3 was liquidated, and after that the price falling down here 20%. So that means X4 got liquidated in long. So is a playing with a short and long. Depends how many shorts and long are in the. Unfortunately, we don't have this data and this how it's called 21%. So this so here we can have a firing 14%, and if you go to this Fibonacci one now. So he reached 0786. Normal we should have a pullback, and after that we can go down. So we can have 113, 123, and this area we can get a very good. And what we can see, the RSI is already very low, so we can have like that. And normal this should come like that, and we have so this level is already 21. So if we go here like that, and here is like that, we have strong or hidden. This is hidden. Strong I don't is not important. So for the moment is not very clear, doesn't give any direction the RSI. So the most probable we need to wait. So yeah, so you reach 1618. So it's clear we need to wait. So how the RSI is doing on the small level? So if we go here, like that, and here is not working. Here so the area size is exactly in the same point, huh? It looks like it is a little bit up, and this is down. So pretty sure if this is up and this is down, this is up and this is also up. So the area size doesn't tell us nothing for the moment. So let's wait. Solana is doing same. What we can say about Solana? So everyone wait. So we have 50%. So X2. So for the big, for the small, for this altcoin, except Ethereum and Bitcoin can go until 50% for the X2, so 33% for the X3. What we can say here, so we reach 0236. If you go from the logarithmic, it's still on 0236, so pretty short. Until it's not coming above 236, we cannot see this area. So the most probable, what we had now is just a push up for 20%, yeah. So liquidation X5 or X4 or X5. So it's like that for the moment. Total is also have a falling. Total 3 also. Bitcoin dominance is look like is still is going up. What mean this? That mean we have more money in total comparing with total total 2. So the RSI is a little bit up. We need to fall down what the on this they say. Okay, so we still have a lot of, we are around 49. So until we reach this point, maybe we can have a falling of the RSI. So for the moment, the all here is looking like the dominance will grow up. So AVAX again, Crow again. So nothing happened comparing with the last time. So for the moment, nothing. We don't know. Yeah, let's see here. We have a situation like that, and here, if we look, this point is still lower than this one, but this one from here is higher than this one. So maybe we can, if we go like that, and if we go like that, so we have a bullish situation. But let's see. If we go to the Fibonacci, he already go for 0786 and now is here. If we go to the other one, let's see this one. So let's take high value. So he reached almost 1 to 3. So this 1 to 3 is the next target. And this is here 0.5, maybe good opportunity to get some coins for these coins from crypto.com. So here we have until here 7x. So we don't know how it will go in the future. Maybe it will break up this line. So it'll go like that and break up the line. It will go up, or it will reach this line. But also, if you take with 5-10 cents and we sell it 20, we can double the money. But if you're willing to wait enough time, this is the movie for today. We'll see it on the end of the week. Last weekend I had no time, so I hope I will find more time this weekend to keep at least one movie per week. Until now, I don't see any kind of nobody view this, but let's see in the future after I make 10-20 movies, maybe someone it will start to be more visible on the internet. So on YouTube. So CryptoToti, all the best.